Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. If your iPhone is struggling with battery life, you are in the right place. Let's get started with 10 easy steps to fix that battery drainage. And the first step is update your software. Go to settings, scroll down and click on general. Here is software update. Guys, please always ensure your iPhone is up to date and your version is updated. After doing this, go all the way back to the settings. And the second step is keep your screen brightness low. You can adjust it quickly from the control center by sweeping up and sliding the brightness bar down. After doing this, go back to the settings again. And third step is enable auto brightness. Enable auto brightness to let your phone adjust the brightness. For this, go to settings and then display and brightness and turn on auto brightness. Once you did it, go back to the settings again. Turn off unnecessary location services. Go to settings, privacy and click on location services. Here you can see disable it for apps that don't need it. Toggle it off, click on turn off and then go back to the settings again. Once you come here, and the fifth step is disable background app refresh. For this, just scroll down and click on general and click on backs app refresh and toggle it off. Turn it off for all apps or selectively disable it. After doing this, go back to the settings again. Once you come here, then apply the 6 steps of the solution of battery draining, that is reduce motion effects. For reducing motion effects, scroll down, click on accessibility and then motion and reduce motion on. Toggle it on. If your reduce motion is off, toggle it on. After doing this, go back to the all the way back to the settings again and then apply use low power mode, that is 7th step. To save battery when you are running low, scroll down and click on battery and toggle it low power mode on. As you can see, I have toggle it on low power mode on, and then go back to the settings. Apply the 8th step, that is limit notifications. Scroll down, go to the settings and go to the notifications and choose which apps can send you alerts. Okay, after doing this, go back again to the settings. The last and the 9th, check battery usage. Go to battery, scroll down, click on battery to see which apps are using the most power. If something draining too much, you might need to adjust your usage. And there you have it, 9 steps to help your iPhone battery last longer. If these tips helped out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more tech tips.